Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install WhatsApp or the WhatsApp app on iPhone. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your app store. Tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and go to the bottom right, tap on search, and then at the search bar, just type down WhatsApp, just like so. And then once done, you can go ahead and tap on search right here at the bottom right, or tap on the search result. Okay, tap on it, wait for it to load. Once it loads, scroll down a bit, and here we have WhatsApp Messenger. Okay, tap on install or the cloud button, and just wait for the process to finish. And by the way, WhatsApp Messenger right here and a WhatsApp Business app are two different things. Okay, but since we are talking about the WhatsApp app only, we'll just install the WhatsApp Messenger. All right, just wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, you will get the open button. By all means, if you want to, you can just tap on it to open it up, or go ahead over to your home screen, and here you have WhatsApp. Okay, just tap on it to open it up and just sign in with your WhatsApp account. And that is how easy it is to install WhatsApp app on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.